So glad the many millions of Annabelles and Lillians would be to capture me. But you had such persistence, you wore down my resistance. I fell, and it was swell. I'm your big and brave, handsome Romeo. How I won you, I shall never, never know. It's not that you're attractive, but all my heart grew active when you came into view. I've got a crush on you, sweetie pie, all the day and night time. Hear me sigh, I never had the least notion that I could fall with so much emotion. Could you care for a summer cottage that we could share? The world will pardon my much. I've got a crush, my baby, on you. Could you care for a summer cottage we could share? The world will pardon my mush, 'cause I've got a crush, my baby, on